Good morning, everybody. Reading from Daniel 9, verse 24. 70 weeks are determined for your people and for your holy city to finish the transgression, to make an end of sins. I'm skipping to 25. Know, therefore, and understand that from the going forth of the command to restore and rebuild Jerusalem until Messiah the Prince, there shall be 7 weeks and 62 weeks. The Bible is a unique book. It is 100% written by men, but also 100% God-breathed. Every word in it is a word from God. As such, the Bible does things that no other book can do, or even person can do. For example, it often predicts in quite precise detail the future. In Daniel chapter 9, God sent an angel to tell Daniel when the promised Messiah would come. The information given is very useful to us because we can look back in history and check to see if it happened the way it was prophesied. In verse 25, the angel told Daniel to start counting from when the command to restore and rebuild Jerusalem is given. From then, it would be 69 weeks until the Messiah comes. Virtually everyone agrees, based on other scriptures, that the angel was talking about weeks of years, not weeks of days. This means it would be 483 years from the command until the Messiah. Now we must find the command. There are several possibilities recorded in Scripture. The first is the famous one recorded at the start of Ezra 1. In 536 BC, Persian King Cyrus calls for willing Jews to go back to Jerusalem to rebuild the temple. Then, in 519 BC, King Darius issued a further decree, recorded in Ezra 6, saying that the house of God at Jerusalem should be rebuilt. And Ezra 7 tells us that King Artaxerxes also gave instructions for the temple to be rebuilt and for the Jews to do whatever seems good to you and your brothers with the rest of the silver and gold that he had given them, according to the will of your God. Of course, they would have used the money to rebuild Jerusalem. That command was given in 457 BC. So some argue that the command was given in 3 parts, ending with Artaxerxes, and so it is that time when the clock should be started. If you move forward 483 years from 457 BC, you get to 27 AD, the year which Jesus' ministry started. 3.5 years later, Jesus was crucified and then rose again. For the next 3.5 years, the gospel was preached by the Jews only to the Jews. After that, it went worldwide to Jew and Gentile alike. The 70 weeks Gabriel had predicted had finished. That Bible prophecy has turned out to be exactly right. The Bible also predicts over 300 times that Jesus is going to come again, this time to reign. His people of old, the Jews, were not ready for him when he came to them the first time. Will we be ready when he comes again? Have a great day.